custom code migration to SAP S/4HANA. Over the past years, you as SAP customers have heavily extended and modified SAP solutions. There are SAP ERP systems with a few million lines of custom code. During a system conversion to SAP S/4HANA, you need to make a decision on which custom code must be taken over and adapted for the SAP S/4HANA system. You can think of it as moving to a new house. You need to decide on what to do with all your belongings, and you have different options how to proceed. The same applies to your custom code. You will need to remove the outdated code parts, identify the code for redesign and back to standard activities, and decide which code to move to SAP BTP and which to SAP S/4HANA. Do you know that on average, about 60% of your custom code is not executed in your productive landscape? Therefore, SAP's recommendation is to collect unused code before system conversion and leave it behind. But how can you identify the code that is not used? Just run usage analysis with ABAP Call Monitor (SCMON) and aggregate collected usage data with transaction SUSG directly in your productive SAP Business Suite system. This is a great opportunity for you to clean up the systems without running an extra project, since you can do it during your SAP S/4HANA conversion. Based on the collected usage data, you can define the scope of your custom code for SAP S/4HANA, analyze your custom code, and after the system conversion, adapt it for SAP S/4HANA accordingly. Custom Code Migration app is the tool of choice for scoping and analysis of your custom code for SAP S/4HANA. Using quick fixes in ABAP Development Tools in Eclipse, you can adapt your custom code for SAP S/4HANA in a semi-automated way. Let's take a look at this in detail. SAP Fiori app Custom Code Migration guides you through the custom code adaptation process for SAP S/4HANA end-to-end. The app automatically defines the scope of your custom code migration project based on the uploaded usage data collected in your productive SAP Business Suite system. Of course, you can at any time change the scope manually. The unused custom code can be easily identified and removed by SAP Software Update Manager during system conversion to SAP S/4HANA. While defining custom code scope, you can use an advanced Clean Core dashboard that allows ranking of custom developments by complexity and frequency of changes. In this way, the dashboard spots the top TCO drivers in your custom code, which should be removed from custom code scope. The dashboard allows you to identify custom code candidates for back to SAP standard and various redesign activities. That would significantly reduce adaptation efforts and save future maintenance costs for your custom code. Custom Code Migration app performs SAP S/4HANA readiness checks over your custom code and provides detailed analysis results with comprehensive filtering and navigation capabilities and various graphical charts. These SAP S/4HANA analysis results are foundation for all custom code adaptation activities. Finally, the analysis results can be downloaded or exported for SAP readiness check. Beyond this, the Custom Code Migration app can be used with its full feature scope for custom code scoping and analysis in SAP S/4HANA Greenfield projects and for custom code migration to the SAP BTP ABAP environment. After converting your SAP Business Suite system to SAP S/4HANA, it's time to adapt your custom code. You can significantly reduce your custom code adaptation efforts with semi-automatic adaptation by leveraging quick fixes in ABAP Development Tools or ADT for Eclipse. With only a few clicks, you can initiate mass custom code adaptation with the quick fixes and can expect up to 60% automation rate for the most frequent findings of the SAP S/4HANA simplification use cases. For more information, please go to the SAP community link on screen.